Hey, welcome. We're back in the Chapter 9 um, of our textbook Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud Revealed. We're still working with graphs, and in this one we're going to create a custom graph design. So we're going to go into Illustrator and do a File and Open. And we're going to open 9-2. I'm going to set this up so it's a little easier to read again. All right, then we are going to do a file, save as, pencil, and underscore your name. All right, we're going to go to View on the menu bar and click Pencil. We're going to get the Selection tool, and we're going to drag a selection marquee around the entire pencil to select it all. And then we're going to do a Command if you're on a Mac, Control if you're on a PC, G to group that, or of course you can always go under the Object and Group as well. You want to show your rulers if they're hidden, and mine are, so we're going to go to View, Rulers, and Show Rulers. And then we're going to align the two guides with the top and bottom of the pencil. So we're going to click and drag a guide all the way to the bottom here, or top of the pencil. And then we're going to click and drag another guide here. We're going to deselect the pencil if it's still selected, and then we're going to change the fill and stroke colors to none on the tools panel. My tools fill and stroke are both at none, but if yours aren't, they should be. Now we're going to get the rectangle tool and create a rectangle around the pencil that snaps to the top and bottom guides. Nope, that one didn't, but we're going to try it again. As shown in part B of figure 6. The height of the rectangle should exactly match the height of the custom design to ensure that the data values are represented correctly on the graph. Now while the rectangle is still selected, we're going to go to Object on the menu bar, point to Arrange, and then send it to the back. The rectangle must be behind the illustration. Now we're going to select both the rectangle and the pencil as shown in part C of the illustration that we just looked at. So we're going to get the selection tool, select both of these, and you'll see that I've also selected my graph, which I don't want to select. So I am going to deselect this line by holding down my Shift key and clicking on it, and then I'm going to deselect this one as well. Now I just have the pencil and the rectangle selected. Then we're going to go to Object on the menu bar. We're going to point to Graph, and then we're going to point to Design. I'm going to click to New Design. We're going to click Rename. We're going to name the design pencil, click OK, and then click OK. And there it is. Now we're going to click OK to close the graph design dialog box, which I did, and then we're going to do a Command or Control S to save our work. Now to apply this custom design to a graph. In this lesson, we're going to apply the pencil custom design to a graph. This is an example of some of the ways that this has been done. Let's scroll down here a bit, and we're going to go to Fit on the menu bar, View on the menu bar, sorry. Fit Artboard in Window. We're going to click the graph with the selection tool. We're going to go to Object on the menu bar, point to Graph and Column. And you'll see that the Graph Column dialog box shows a list of custom designs you can apply to your graph. We're going to click, it does not exactly show a lot of them, but it does show pencil, which is a good thing. So we're going to click on pencil. We're going to verify that the vertically scaled is selected, which it is, for the column type, and that Rotate Legend Design checkbox is not checked, as shown in Figure 20 or mine on the screen. We're going to click OK. We're going to click on the artboard to deselect the graph, and then compare your work to Figure 21 or mine on the screen. The 3 columns on the graph are replaced with pencils that are each a different length, indicating how many scholarships that were given out. Note, however, that the erasers and the points of the pencils are all still inconsistent. Do a Command or Control S to save our work. And I believe that that's all I know that's all that I'm going to demo right now. If you do have any other questions or have need for an additional demo, be sure and let me know. Otherwise, I will see you later.